It was not often that Bayramov used watercolor, but he adored the medium. In his later years, he used watercolor for his daughter Bahara. When she would paint in the studio, the artist would paint beside her. When Bayramov started a watercolor painting, he would always finish it the same day. He enjoyed using a reed pen with ink to draw the lines, then used watercolor to create tonal value when the ink dried. This was his favorite technique, and he was able to complete paintings with lightning speed. Bayramov would sometimes use watercolor for sketching, but never used it for major paintings. This work shows a bouquet of flowers that a friend had brought to Bayramov. He was so quick to set up the assemblage on the windowsill that he failed to notice the tube of paint sitting beside it. Both the artist and his daughter Bahara each painted a version of the bouquet. Despite the difficulty in adding light tone values in watercolor works, Bayramov was masterful at creating a feeling of depth in his pieces. Instead of using pigments such as titanium white to create highlights, the artist applies ample amount of water to a small dot of color. In his paintings of flowers, each petal is carefully rendered and colored as if it were alive. Untitled from 2002 features 3 purple irises. What is interesting about this work is that Bayramov had let the color from the largest flower bleed out onto the paper behind it. It's as if the very essence of the plant is seeping into its surroundings like a fragrant smell. This purposeful technique brings a sense of balance and further modeling to the works.